Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add closed captions on your videos on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Disney Plus website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with entering your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, just choose your profile. After logging into your profile, you can browse through the various different shows that are available within Disney Plus. Now just choose any series or show that you wish to watch, and once you click on it, you will see the play button. Tap on the play button to start playing the episode, and you can then hit the pause button and you will see the closed caption option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on this, and now you can choose from the various different languages that are available underneath the subtitles menu to use as your closed caption. Just choose whichever language you wish your closed caption to appear in, and once you have clicked on this, you can start playing your show, and you will see that the captions will now start to appear in the language that you have selected. That is how easy it is to add closed captions on your Disney Plus account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.